everyone, I am Isha. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a very special day in my life vlog. Hello everyone, good morning. So this is the last Saturday of June and today I have a lot of interesting things planned. Like the last time I vlogged, I think it was back in December and I've not done any vlog. But I thought I will just vlog a random day which is going to be very busy, very productive. But I'm also going to take things a little slow because yesterday I had a very tiring workout session, so I'm very sore. But yeah, I can promise you that I'm going to enjoy the day and you're going to enjoy it along with me. The top 3 tasks that I have planned for the day are watering all my indoor plants. Like tomorrow I'm going to my parents' place and I won't be home for the next 6-7 days, so I have to water all the plants today. And then in the afternoon, I think I will plan for July. I have a lot of things coming up, so I need to do a detailed plan for that. And then late in the night, I'm going to host a very special webinar. This is something that's very close to my heart. I'm going to talk about it later in this video. But before all of that, I need some energy. So let's go and make some breakfast. I made an omelette with mushroom and tomatoes, and I also had a buttered toast.
Every time she would cry on my shoulder, I was here all along trying to save her. You asked me to come back, but we're not quite alright.
And of course, on busy days like this, I prefer a big cup of milk coffee.
And now you're telling me that it was not enough. I told you that some months ago, but guess it didn't count. I'm here for you, you know, even if I'm not around. You can wake me up, I will try my best to make you feel alright. I know what you deserve, but no one showed you that. You deserve the world, and I know that love will someday come around.
Hi guys, it's 12:30 right now and I have completed writing the blog post for this week. It's going to go up at 6:30. Usually I try to write them in advance, but recently I'm struggling a lot with coming up with new blog ideas, because whenever I think of something, I end up making a video out of it. So it's a big problem. If you have some solution, please let me know. But yeah, today's blog topic is something that's very close to my heart, so I'm very excited about it. And I will take a shower. I have to wash my hair also. It's very, I don't know, I need to shampoo my hair, but before that I need to water my plants. So let's go.
And now you're telling me that it was not enough. I told you that some months ago, but guess you didn't count. I'm here for you, you know, even if I'm not around. You can wake me up, I will try my best to make you feel alright. I know what you deserve, but no one showed you that. You deserve the world, and I know that love will someday come.
Hi guys, so the plants have taken the shower, and honestly I think having plants is just like having kids. You are always so concerned about them, and especially because these plants cannot talk, you are always trying to figure out if they're doing all right, if there's some problem. My jade plant got a mealybug infestation a few days back and I removed the mealybugs, and today while I was watering it, I just made sure that there's no more mealybug in it. And yeah, all my plants look very happy, but now I need to take a shower. So I will do that and I will meet you after lunch. Bye. And soon after, it also started raining, so my rooftop garden got a nice shower and all the plants and leaves started looking so lively, so fresh, so beautiful.
I was here all along trying to save her. You asked me to come back.
And then in the afternoon, I spent some time on social media and I also watched one of my favorite movies of all time. It's this animated movie called Coco, and every time I watch this, I end up crying. I don't know why, but this day was no exception. So yeah, this is me crying. And then soon after, I wanted to have a glass of fruit juice. So I made a glass of grape juice for myself. Okay guys, so I actually slept off. I don't even know when, maybe at around 5, and I just woke up 15-20 minutes ago. I usually don't sleep in the afternoons, but I think it's fine. Today is Saturday and also I have to stay awake till late, so this sleep was very important for me. And I also made myself the second cup of coffee for the day, again just because it's Saturday and I have to stay up till late. Now I have to get ready for the webinar, so I think I will start getting ready at around 9 because we are planning to start that at 10. But before that, I'm quickly going to plan for July. So when it comes to planning, I don't do monthly planning anymore because nothing goes according to plan. Random lockdowns happen, new kind of coronavirus comes in, and then everything shuts down, and then again things open up and you have to go back to work. So nothing goes as planned, and if I try to plan things and they don't work, it gets very overwhelming and disturbing for me. So the only thing that I plan for the entire month is my content calendar. I try to put out at least 6 to 8 quality videos every month along with 4 blog posts and some Instagram posts. So that is what I planned in the beginning of the month, so that I know when I have to shoot a certain video, when I have to edit that video, when I have to interview someone for the blog, so that this routine is not messed up. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do right now, and then I will get ready for the webinar.
You're surrounded by people that love you, whatever you need will go through, and forcing you to stay. No matter if I'm okay, we can cry together if you want to. Forever I'll be there to support you. And now you're telling me that it was not enough. I told you that's
Hi guys, so I am done with my planning work and now I'm going to get ready. I'm so excited. So I'm seeing you guys in 3, 2, 1 and I am ready. Okay, so basically our school's foundation day is on 1st July, and this year the ex-students decided to do something different. We have created a lot of different panels for students who are in different careers, and then we are going to have some fun discussion among ourselves. We are going to talk about how we chose that particular career and what are the advantages and disadvantages and scopes in that, and then we are going to share that with the current students. So this will be like an online meeting sort of, and then we are going to upload the entire recording in our school group so that the current students get an idea of the different career options, because this is something that does not usually happen in schools, and after they complete their school education they're kind of in doubt, they have a lot of questions, and we're hoping that these discussions will help them. And also, I know I'm a little overdressed, this is just a Zoom meeting, but you know what, I love wearing sari and I'm not being able to wear sari and go anywhere outside. And for me, 1st July, my school foundation day was always a very special day. Like when I was in school, I used to perform, and even if I'm not performing, I used to dress up and then go and watch all my friends performing and all that. So this day is very special for me, and if this is a 1st July special program, then I have to dress up, and I have dressed up in a sari, I have put on some makeup. Do let me know what you think about this look. Maybe I will share this in some video. And yeah, I'm going to meet you again after the webinar. And this is how my setup looks like, and these are all the people who attended this particular panel. This is the entertainment panel, and all the people who joined were actors, directors, musicians, graphic designers, very talented ex-students from our school, and I learned so much. And I was basically hosting this panel, so I was kind of coordinating the entire event. The session just got over and it's 12:30 right now. So when we started at 10, we thought it will be like a 40 minutes or 60 minutes session, but it went on and on and on, and everyone added so much values, and I'm so happy right now. I decided to join this panel, talk to these amazing artists. I'm so happy, but I have to edit that video now, and I also have to edit this video. So I'm ending the vlog. I have to have my dinner. So yeah, but I really enjoyed vlogging the day. It was really a very fun day for me, and I hope you have enjoyed the vlog. Do let me know if you want to see more vlogs like this, and I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.